Hello,
How
how are
are
you?
you? Good.
Uh, Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
What's your name? Sorry.
my name is Saber Hossain Chowdhury, and you?
I'm Monica. Nice to
Oh,
meet you.
Monica. Oh,
How can I
nice to meet you too. Uh,
how can I help?
actually, I am installed these apps. I cannot properly use these apps. So I am one
You're still
video
new.
YouTube channel. Then I am install these apps, and
Yep.
first time I am called here with you.
Oh, how nice. And I get to be the first teacher you speak to. So
Yeah,
you
yeah.
want to learn English a little bit more?
I'm just a practice. I am from Bangladesh, so my mother language Bengali. So
Lovely.
English our second language.
Mm-hmm.
So learn too difficult, but I am just practice it.
Yes. So you can speak it, but you just want to use it.
Yeah, yeah. So where are
Okay.
you from?
So I was
Where are
born in Australia. You know Australia?
oh, yeah, yeah, Australia. I know. I think your country cricket playing is really good. Uh, do
Yeah,
you
you're the second person to tell me that we have a good cricket team. You think
yeah,
so? Do you watch cricket?
yeah, obviously I like so much cricket. Um,
Why? Why do you like it so much?
because uh, I we have a national team or Bangladesh.
Yes.
Do you know Bangladesh cricket?
I don't know much about cricket in general. So tell me. I know the
So
sport, but not the detail.
oh, okay. Actually, our country has an international cricket team.
Wow.
So I think Bangladesh cricket represented all over the world
Mm-hmm.
because it's the international game. So your country, your country, Australia cricket team is really good and really good. And Bangladesh ODI ranking 7, and your
It's really
country
good.
ranking maybe 2 or 3.
Ah,
So
who's number one? India?
yeah, 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 yeah.
Ah, wow.
Uh,
Yes, you speak.
ups and down. Your country ups and down, 1 or 2 or 3, again 1 or 2 and 3.
Changes. It
Yes, changes.
varies. Mm. Can you play cricket?
Yeah, yeah, of course. I am playing cricket when I am free in my time, and I am playing cricket with my friends, institute friends,
What
and
do you
I
like to
am
do? Which position? The bowling or
actually
the batting?
oh actually I am so much like batting, and I'm also play bowling. So
Ah, you do both.
so yeah, yeah, all rounder.
Wow.
Something like that. Okay.
Very nice, very nice. Do you like any other sports? Do you watch or
Yeah,
play? Like
my
what?
favorite games is are cricket and football. I am just, but
Every person.
our
Football. Why
country.
do you like football?
Why? Because football is most popular
Yes,
game in our.
very popular.
I think it's a game most entertainment game, and really interesting game. So I am like this game, but
Mm.
our country not very oil to football,
Yeah.
but our country cricket
Not very
team
oiled, is that what you said?
so much good cricket team.
So
but not
your
all.
country is good in cricket. The international
Yeah,
cricket team is very good, but
yeah,
not very good with football.
yeah, absolutely right.
Or why do
So
you think they're good at one and not the other one?
uh, actually, I am just this football and cricket watching this very much. So so uh, I have a question
Yes,
to you. Can I? So
yes.
actually, ma'am, I'm not very good at English. So, but I wanna to be a native speaker. So, uh, so please tell me something about learning speaking. How can I improve
Mm-hmm.
my speaking English, my reading English,
Mm,
my listening English, my writing English?
mm.
So please,
So there's the first thing we know is practice makes perfect. So the more you practice,
yeah,
the better you'll become. For example, with so you speak well, you're clear, but what do you do for pronunciation? Do you do any exercises for pronunciation?
actually, I am like I like to American
Mm.
accent like. So I am follow
So,
this accent.
so what I want
And
you to
you?
do, I want you to
And
listen. I have the Australian accent. It's a little bit different to the American. But what I want from you
yeah,
is to listen to an American song, okay?
yeah, yeah,
Slowly listen to the song. And then I want you to get your phone and tape yourself. So I want you to repeat the words that they say, okay? And then
yeah,
listen to yourself as you're speaking with pronunciation, okay?
yeah.
Then I
Okay.
also want you to think about the kind of English and words they use. So I'm going to send a song to study, okay? I want you
Okay.
to
Thank you
listen
so
to
much.
her. No, no, my pleasure. I want you to listen to her pronunciation, this girl's pronunciation.
Yeah,
I want you to think about what she's really saying because she uses very strong English here. So really think about it and research the meanings behind what she's saying because if you just read it, it's not going to make sense. There's a lot more hidden meanings behind the language she's using, okay? And then I want
yeah.
you to read it and listen to yourself. So I'm giving you 3 steps.
So first of all, I am watching and listening slowly music,
Good,
music or
good,
song uh, from British accent.
excellent.
And
She's
second,
American. She's American.
yeah.
Yes.
And secondly,
What do you have to
secondly,
do? What did I say? Do you remember what I said? So you have to listen to her and then what?
yeah,
Then tape yourself. I want you to repeat it. Listen to yourself say it.
yeah,
Okay? You understand? Then you listen to you.
yes,
And number 3, I want you to research the meaning behind what she is saying. That's your homework. So what are those 3
yeah.
steps? What's one?
First one, I am
Good.
listening music.
What's 2?
Uh, I am recording my mobile
Yeah.
and listening
Good. And what's number
and
3?
listening. What's number three? I am reading and
What happened?
actually someone called me my phone. That's why disconnected this conversation. Sorry, I'm really sorry.
No, no problem. So you got
Okay.
what's the last thing you have to do? This is the most important thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Research the
First.
song. Yes.
Yeah. First of all, I am
Good.
listening song, and then I am record my
Excellent.
mobile or
For
and
yourself.
listening,
Yeah.
and third I am
Good.
reading
Understanding the words, the
word. Yeah.
meaning.
Uh,
Yes.
yeah.
And then next time we
Okay.
talk, you tell me your opinion, if you like it or you don't like it.